of recreation is a leisure time physical activity undertaken outside of structured competition sport. Example games: running, basketball, cycling, swimming. Running, a method of terrestrial locomotion allowing humans and other animals to move rapidly on foot. Basketball, a team sport that involves teams of 5 active players each trying to score points against one another by throwing a ball through a 300 centimeters 10 feet high hoop, the basket, under organized rules. It is played on both indoor and outdoor courts. Cycling, also called bicycling or biking, is the use of bicycles for transport, recreation, exercise or sport. It is a healthy, low-impact exercise that can be enjoyed by people of all ages, from young children to older adults. Swimming, in recreation and sports, the propulsion of the body through water by combined arm and leg motions and the natural flotation of the body. As an exercise is popular as an all-around body developer and is particularly useful in therapy and as exercise for physically handicapped persons. People participation in the active recreation games is to function effectively in performing the action. Passive recreation means recreational activities that require limited physical exertion on behalf of the participant. Example games: chess, Monopoly, Scrabble, card. Chess is a game played between 2 opponents on opposite sides of a board containing 64 squares of alternating colors. Each player has 16 pieces: 1 king, 1 queen, 2 rooks, 2 bishops, 2 knights, and 8 pawns. The goal of the game is to checkmate the other king. Monopoly, a multiplayer economics-themed board game. In the game, player roll 2 dice to move around the game board, buying and trading properties, and developing them with houses and hotels. Players collect rent from their opponents, with the goal being to drive them into bankruptcy. Scrabble, a word game in which 4 players score points by placing tiles, each bearing a single letter, onto a game board divided into a 15-15 grid of squares. Card games is any game using playing cards as the primary device with which the game is played, be they traditional or game-specific. People participation is non-excessive movement in performing the task or action.